Welcome to the Medical and Health Information Literacy tutorial. This is Allergy from Saab Medical Library. We've discussed how would medical bibliographic databases be working. They will help us find foreground questions. And how is that? We should be following the following steps. We should be breaking down the topic into concepts, searching each concept alone for its mesh, and then combining the meshes using the different Boolean operators. What are the three Boolean operators? They are AND, OR, and NOT. Say I have the topic about pregnancy or hypertension and pregnancy. I would want both concepts to appear in my article for my article to be relevant. Hence, I'll be looking for pregnancy as a mesh alone, and then I'll be looking for hypertension as a mesh alone, and then combining them using the Boolean operator AND, which resembles the intersection if we go to the Venn diagram. Hypertension was not enough for me, so I wanted to increase my results, so I looked up high blood pressure as well. How would I be combining similar concepts? I would be using the Boolean operator OR. Hence, I'll be getting the articles that are talking about hypertension alone, high blood pressure alone, and the intersection of hypertension or high blood pressure. Saying we're talking about hypertension in females, and I've already done the mesh males, and I'm too lazy for me to do the females again, considering again we're only talking about two genders, males and females. Would hypertension, not males, work for me and give me the articles that are talking about hypertension and females? Yes. However, I will be missing articles that are talking about hypertension in both males and females. So I'm not supposed to be lazy, and I'm supposed to do my search again using females. And then I'll be combining it using the Boolean operator AND. This way, I would guarantee I wouldn't be missing any article that's talking about hypertension and females. And again, I say talking about because we're conducting mesh searching. So now, let's talk about the combination of different Boolean operators. Back to the example of pregnancy and hypertension. So how would I combine hypertension, high blood pressure, and pregnancy? First of all, I have to put the right Booleans in the right place. However, I'm not the computer software engineer, so I wouldn't know how my database would work. Would it do for me pregnancy and hypertension and then order the results of those two concepts with high blood pressure? Or would it do the following? For me to force it to do hypertension or high blood pressure together and then AND them with pregnancy, I have to do the nesting, or I put the brackets, just like in math. So now when I use a mixture, or when I have a hybrid topic, I'll be using the brackets or the nesting. A pop quiz. If you're allergic to peanuts and eggs, what is the search strategy that you might use in your literature search for scholarly articles? It's allergy and eggs or peanuts.